Hi, this is Rushali and you are watching Rusharaj Classes YouTube channel. We have started the videos for NMMS exam. That is the scholarship exam which is conducted for standard 8th in most of the state. In my previous video, I have explained many important factors which you must know before you attempt this exam. Means right from the day you fill the application form, you must know all those factors. So all those factors are explained in my previous video. So if you have not yet watched that video, please do watch that video. Link is shared in the description box. In this video, I am going to explain the math sums because as I said in my previous video, I explained one very important factor regarding math sums. Solving math sums requires the knowledge of concept. Yes, you must know the perfect. Yes, you must be perfect in the concepts. But here, only knowing the concepts is not going to help you. So, you must be fast in calculation and you must also know the alternative shortcut methods to solve the sums. So, here in this video, we are going to solve the math sums from SAT paper of 2021-22. And while solving the maths question, I'll be also explaining how you have to solve those sums in least time. Means I'll be also explaining some shortcut methods while solving this sum. So please do watch this video till end to understand many shortcut methods which we are going to come across in this video. I also told you that make the least use of pen and paper for working. So which sums you can solve without using pen and pencil, for which sums you can apply the shortcut methods, for which sums you can do mental calculation, all these things will be explained. And as I said, to know all these things perfectly, watch this video till end. So now let's start with the first sum from maths part of this SAT paper of 2021-22. First sum means in paper it is 71st sum. In the equation 2m minus 5 is equal to 3, the value of m is. Now here the equation is 2m minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, 2m minus 5 is equal to 3 and we have to find value of m. So what is our general method what we apply in school? 2m minus 5 is equal to 3. 2m is equal to 3 plus 5. 2m is equal to 8. M is equal to 8 upon 2 and that is 4. So the answer is option A, that is 4. But like this sum, you have to solve without using pen and paper. Yes. So it's quite simple sum. 2m minus 5 is equal to 3. When we shift minus 5 on the other side, it becomes plus 5. So 2m is equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. M is equal to 8 upon 2 and that is 4. So you have to practice. You have to train your brain for such mental calculation. So for like this sums, avoid pen and paper for working. Try to do such sums mentally. Go for mental calculation. This is going to save your maximum time, which you can utilize on the other critical questions. So let's move to the question number 2, 72. An example for twin prime among the following is. Okay, so here we have to find twin prime numbers among the given numbers. What is the meaning of prime number? A number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So twin prime number means two prime numbers whose difference is only 2, or we can say the prime numbers whose gap is 2. When we subtract those numbers, the difference is 2. So the options given here are 2 and 3, 3 and 5, 2 and 5, 3 and 3. Actually here all the pairs are of prime number. But in first case 2 and 3, both the numbers are prime numbers but their difference is 1. 3 and 5, yes, both are prime numbers, their difference is 2. So the right answer here is option B, that is 3 and 5. The next one is 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are also prime number, but their difference is 3. 3 and 3 both are prime numbers, but the difference is 0. So twin prime numbers are where one number is either 2 less or 2 more than the other number, and both the numbers are prime numbers. So the right answer here is option B, that is 3 and 5. Let's move to our next question. If x is equal to minus 2, then the value of x square minus 4 is 73 sum. X is equal to minus 2, then the value of x square minus 4 is how much? What is the value of this? X square, our x is minus 2. Minus 2 square minus 4. Minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, minus 4, and the answer is 0. Even in this sum, don't make use of pen and paper. Go for mental calculation. X is equal to minus 2. X square. Square is never a negative number. Square of positive or negative integer is always positive. So x square, that is minus 2 square, is 4. 4 minus 4, it's 0. So just in 10 to 15 seconds, your answer will be ready in your mind. You have to just tick in your sheet. So here the answer is option B, that is 0. Let's move to the next question, that is 74. HCF of 60, 72 and 120 is. 74th question, you have to find HCF of 60, 72 and 120. HCF, highest common factor. Now you know this school method, how we find the common factor, how we find the HCF. So in school what we do? We factorize these numbers separately. 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Okay, let's go for 72. 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. 120, 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Then next what we do? We mark the common factors. Now here 2, 2, 2. Okay, one more 2, 2, 2. Now which is the common factor? 3, 3, 3. So these are the common things in all the three numbers. Then how we find HCF? HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. But your scholarship exam don't permit you for this lengthy method. Why? Because it's time consuming. So what is the alternative method? There is one shortcut method to find the HCF. What we have to do here is take all these numbers together, all the three numbers together, and think of the highest number by which you can divide all these three numbers. Yes, of course you can divide it by 2. You can also divide it by 3. You can also divide it by 4. You can also divide it by 6. But just think by which highest possible number you can divide this. Now suppose immediately the number 6 comes in your mind. Go for 6. No problem. 6 tens are, 6 12s are, 6 20s are. Now 10, 12 and 20. We can still divide it by 2. 5, 6 and 10. Now here the remaining numbers are 5, 6 and 10. We don't have any common factor in 5, 6 and 10. Means we cannot divide this 5, 6 and 10 commonly by any other number. So our HCF is 6 into 2, that is 12. Now suppose, Okay. 60, 72, 120. Directly you can divide it by 12. Suppose if 12 strikes in your mind, divide it by 12. 12 5s are, 12 6s are, 12 10s are. That's it. 12 is your HCF. Means here what we have to do, take all the numbers together, start dividing by one common factor, stop your division till you don't get the common factor. Now here 5, 6 and 10 is not having any common factor. Stop your division here. Whatever numbers you get here, multiply them. Your HCF is ready in your hand. So this is how to find the HCF by shortcut method. So your scholarship exam expects like this shortcut methods. The methods which consumes least time. Yes, because we have to solve 90 questions in 90 minutes. Let's move to the next question. 75th question. The number indicated by the minute hand of a clock when it starts from 2 and makes 1/4 of the revolution is. Now we know that in our clock there are 12 markings for 12 hours. So 1/4 revolution means out of 12, 1/4 of that 3 hours. So that minute hand is going to cross 3 hours, right? So when the minute hand starts from 2, okay, starts from 2 and after completing the 1/4 revolution, it will cross 3 hours. 3, 4, 5. Means after completing 1/4 revolution, the minute hand will reach the number 5. So we can say this is the question of common sense. You have to just think of the clock, half, 1/4, 3/4, whatever number is given, divide that 12 by that number and the answer is ready. Now instead of 1/4, if they give half the revolution means it's going to cross 6. Means it's going to show the number 8. 3/4 revolution means 9 numbers. It will reach 11. So here as it's 1/4 revolution, answer is 5. Let's move to the next question. Question 76. Now in this given figure, okay, in the above figure, ABCD is a square of side 12 centimeter. E and F are midpoints of the sides BC and CD respectively. Area of triangle AEF in centimeters square is. Now this is our question. ABCD is a square where one side of the square is 12 centimeters and E and F are midpoints. E and F are midpoints and we have to find area of this triangle AEF. So how to get this area? Area of this square minus the area of these three triangles will give us the area of the shaded triangle. Okay. Now area of square. Area of square is 12 square side square, that is 144 centimeters square. Fine. Now area of this triangle. Okay. Area of triangle ADF. What is our formula to find area of triangle? Half base into height. So let us take 1 as the base, that is 12, and half of this is going to be 6. 12 into 6, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 6 6s are, 36 centimeter square. Fine. Area of triangle CEF. Area of triangle CEF is also half into base into height, half into 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, that is 18 centimeters square. Now the area of this third triangle, area of triangle ABE. area of triangle ABE, again it's half into base into height. Let base be 12, height be 6. 2 ones are 2 6 are 36 centimeter square. Fine. Now area of our triangle AEF. Area of triangle AEF is this area of square minus the area of these three triangles. 36 plus 18 plus 36. Okay. 144 minus 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 5, 6, 9, 90. 144 minus 90. That is 54 centimeter square. Means option B is our answer. Oh my God, it's so lengthy. It's quite time consuming. But even this sum you can solve in least time. How? See, no need to write all these things in your working column. Area of this square, area of this triangle, that triangle. No. We know that ABCD is the square. Yes. Write 144. From this, we have to subtract area of two triangles. Area of three triangles. So here, we know the formula that area of triangle is half base into height. So here, take any one side as base, any one side as height. It is half. Multiply one side by half of the other side. Means here, suppose if you take 12 and 6, make half of any one side. Half of 12 is 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Or make half of 6, 3. 12 into 3, 36. This is the area of our first triangle. Similarly, for this triangle, it's half base into height. Take half of one side. Means either of this 6 or this 6. Both the sides are 6 here. So 6 into 3, it's 18. And again 12 and 6, make half of one side, 6, half of 12 is 6, 6 into 6 is 36, 144 minus, do total of this, 36 plus 36 is 72, 72 plus 18 is 90. So 144 minus 90 is 54 centimeters square. See, just in this 3 simple steps, we get the answer. And what we did here? Yes, we applied the same formula. We applied the same logic, but mentally. Means we didn't make so much use of pen and paper. So this is the meaning. Make least use of pen and paper. I repeat the same thing again. Train your brain. Practice of mental calculation. Yes. Now, hope this sum is quite clear to you. Let's move to the next sum. 77 sum. Find cube root of. Cube root of root 144 plus root 169 plus root 196 plus 25. We have to find cube root of root 144, root 169, root 196 plus 25. Root 144, 12, root 169, 13, root 196 is 14, and this 25 is as it is. 25 is not having root sign. Students in hurry, they take root of all the numbers. So you have to be fast but also alert at the same time. So now 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 25. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. Now the steps I am writing for your understanding. What exactly we are doing in this sum. Okay. That's why I am writing, because you know, we have habit of writing our school paper where your steps carries marks. But here, what steps you follow, how much you write, what working you do is not at all important. What we want is the correct answer in least time. So even here, don't waste time in copying the question. Straight away, write these numbers 12, 13, 14, 25, add them. Once you get 64, yes, cube root of 64 is 4. Straight away, mark the answer. Option C is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. 78th question. Value of 1.01 square and the whole square. Means here the question is 1.01 square whole square. So what our one law of exponent says? It is 1.01 to the power of 4. Okay, to the power of 4. So here, if you have a look at these options, okay, just have a look at these options given here. Option A is 1.04060401. Next option is 10406.0401. Option C is 1.02010000, and option D is 104.060401. So the first thing, when you multiply the number where the last digit is 1, as many times, last digit is not going to be 0. So straight away, make a cross mark, means ignore option C. Now, when you multiply this decimal number, which is having 2 digits after the decimal point 4 times, so the number of digits expected after the decimal point is 8. And if you count, the number of digits after the decimal point is different in all other options. Only in option A, number of digits after the decimal point is 8. So just use this common sense and tick your option A. So here option A, that is 1.04060401 is your answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next sum. 79th sum. A die numbered 1 to 6 on its faces is thrown once. Probability of getting a composite number on its top face is dash. So here the die is thrown once. Okay, and we have to find the probability of getting a composite number. As the die numbered 1 to 6 is thrown once, total number of outcomes is 6, and probability of getting composite number on its top face. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6 numbers, which are the composite numbers? Composite numbers are 4 and 6. The numbers which have more than 2 factors. Yes, the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called as composite number, and the number which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called as prime numbers. So here, among this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 and 6 are the composite numbers. So the possible outcomes of that particular event are 2. So what is going to be the probability? 2 upon 6, 2 ones are 3s are 1 upon 3 is the answer. So option B is the answer here. Let's move to the next question. 80th question. Among the following, the least number which is divisible by both 3 and 11. Okay, number divisible by 3 as well as 11. So now we want the least possible number. Okay, so here option A is 18,304. Option B is 22,464. Option C is 21,582, and option D is 18,579. As they are asking for the least possible number, let's check from the least number. Now from all these 4 options A, B, C, D, Option A, that is 18,304 is the least number. So let's check whether it is divisible by 3 and 11. For this, you must know the divisibility test. So when the number is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits, if the sum of the digits of a given number, if it is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. So let's check here whether the sum is divisible by 3 or no. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. So here, as it is not divisible by 3, let's not check whether it is divisible by 11 or no. Not necessary. Because it should be divisible by both 3 and 11. So don't waste time in checking whether it is divisible by 11 or no. Now let's move to the second option. Now which is the second least number? This one. 18,579. Let's check whether it is divisible by 3 or no. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. Yes, now as here the sum is 30, it is divisible by 3. Now we have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or no. So how to check? Add alternate digits. 1 plus 5 plus 9. 1 plus 5 plus 9. We get 15. And this 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. And we have to find the difference of this sum. That is 0. If this difference, if this difference is 0 or multiple of 11, that means 11, 22, 33, then the number is divisible by 11. So as difference is 0 here, this number, that is 18,579, is divisible by 11. So as they have asked least number, don't waste time in checking the other options. Now this is the number which is divisible by 3 as well as 11. So straight away take the option D. So in this video we have completed 10 sums. So I think 10 sums are enough for this one video. From question number 81 we will continue in our next video. So to get the update of that video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And my dear students, please do share these videos among your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.